When I was a wee boy, my mum often said to myself and my sisters that it's the thought behind what you do that matters. In other words, if you're well-meaning in what you do, then that well-meaningness can often matter more to people than the thing that you say or do itself. Let me give you an example. So the first time I remember hearing this was I was about 4 years old, and it was coming up to Christmas time, and I'd used some of my pocket money to buy for my mum for Christmas a Cadbury's flake that I'd wrapped up. You know those chocolate, long stick chocolate bars that are really crumbly and flaky. For my dad, well, I'd given my dad half a dozen of his own Dominoes that I'd taken out the box, and I wrapped them up in a piece of newspaper. Now, I don't think I fully understood the concept as a 4-year-old kid at the time. And you know, we've laughed about this so many times over the years, but each time my mum always reiterates that it's the thought behind it that mattered more. In other words, more than my mum receiving the flake and my dad getting the Dominoes, was the fact that I did something that I believed was good, that I wanted to do something for my mum and dad. They treasured that feeling, that sense for me that I was doing something for them. And you know that this is a general thing in life. You know, kindfulness, i.e. being mindfully kind, is more than the things that we say and the things that we do. It's also the thought behind the things that we say and the things that you do. You know, that heartfelt space you come from, the genuine desire you have to do something to help another person. So for today's exercise, just reflect on this fact today, that often in life, the thought behind the thing is equally important, or sometimes more important to people than the thing itself. And as you go through your day, just notice when and where this seems to be true, that the thought behind it was more important than the actual thing that was said or done. And see how you got on. And I'll see you right back here tomorrow.